ríthe cultúr atá an inniu. Agus mar chuid de sraith imeachtaí speisialta atá muoinithe ag an Aontas Eorpach tríd an scéam Síochána Ceathair tá muid ag tuairt daoine le chéile ó chúlairí éagsala sa dtaios gur féidir linn aithne farsanta tócha ar chéile agus na barnaí sin bhreisiú síos agus just solta winseas an cultúr atá ar rinseogaí.
And its little husband, my reward, set the gallows.
I'm a firm believer in the fact that traditional music and songs are for everybody. I say that as somebody who grew up Church of Ireland in a Protestant background. I believe that Irish culture is for everybody, and that's only through breaking down the walls in my own head, you know. But events like this really get everybody together. They see the commonality between people. We are all similar.
Bhí máscan de álín Gaeilge agus as Cultur na hUltaise agus ceangail gréad de Cultur an taobh seo tíre. Le fíorne is onan an cultúr, you know, ní an ach gur tháinig siad le ag pointí agus ag amana éirithe hiag an taobh seo tíre tá sim as cimpse agamsa in sna gréthe eile nach bhfuil me comhólach orthú agus tugann sé deisúin fáil amach a heilú futhú. Well, our tan siach an janta, torla tan mecho, awel dogul.
It's just tremendous to be able to experience this level of talent up here in the hills, and so many different generations of singers as well. It was delightful and very moving actually.
Leg lifting, heartsome, lightsome burns, he overflowed the well-wrought urns. Like buttermilk from slurping churns, rich and unruly, or dancers flying, doing turns.
People from all backgrounds have told their stories in song for, you know, centuries probably, and you know that knows no division or no border, and to be able to share the different experiences of different cultures here tonight was just delightful and really very powerful as well.
Good.